So now finally we are here. We all are waiting for this particular day. So today is 6th and by 5 p.m. We will get our first round mock allotment. So in this video, we'll be discussing regarding that only. If you have any queries, links are in the description. You can reach us out as well. So now we are having these options. Okay. I will discuss it one by one. Also, I can understand that still there are a lot of queries, so the links are in the description. You can join the individual discussion and make it clear. Freeze, basically, you are happy, whatever you are allotted. Slide means change of branch, change of branch in same college, okay? Float means going for the upper choice, whatever you can get. Surrender means surrender, withdraw, exit. Exit means we are taking out of the counseling. Withdrawal means you the same, not willing to take participation. And surrender means you are surrendering the seat. Okay. So most of us we have to go only on the float option unless we are willing to go out of the counseling. So this is the important thing today. The first thing, in case if your portal is not opening, I have seen the last everyone is like very tense. No need to worry. If it's not opening at 5, give it a time till 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a date from 6 to 10. So no need to worry. You cannot rearrange or do anything with the choices now. Whatever you had done, that is done. Just see and keep going. So that's it. That's all we have to do today. Still, you have any confusion, links are in the description. Join the WhatsApp channel or the group and we will discuss further. Thank you. Bye bye.